Learn English to Gujarati travel verbs: book, reserve, cancel and
check-in કરવું.
welcome aboard. Hey, you are about to survive a very dramatic trip using English and Gujarati. Your suitcase is imaginary, your confidence is real, and your travel verbs are about to get much better. Our hero today is you. You want to travel, but travel has opinions. First, you need to
book કરવું.
a room. If you want to sound a bit more formal, you can also
આરક્ષિત કરવું.
a seat or a table. Then life happens, and sometimes you must
રદ કરવું.
a booking. If the trip still survives, you arrive at the hotel and
check-in કરવું.
later, sadly, you must
check-out કરવું.
maybe you decide to
રાત રોકાવું.
in a cozy place, then
મુલાકાત લેવી.
a museum the next day. Just do not oversleep in
ચૂકી જવું.
the bus. See? This trip is already educational and slightly stressful. The Great Hotel Mission. Let's start where many adventures begin, at a hotel desk with a smiling receptionist and a printer that sounds like it is eating paper. You say, I want to
book કરવું.
a hotel room. Nice and practical. You can also say, please,
આરક્ષિત કરવું.
a room for tonight. Same travel energy, slightly more formal. You arrive tired, holding your bag like it contains your entire personality, and you need to
check-in કરવું.
if the storm is wild or the buses vanish into legend, you may need to
રાત રોકાવું.
there. The next morning, after dramatic hotel breakfast toast, you go downstairs to
check-out કરવું.
and if your plans collapse because your friend said, actually, I adopted 3 goats and cannot travel, then you may need to
રદ કરવું.
the booking. Tiny dialogue, big survival. Now listen to a short travel dialogue. Picture a hotel lobby, 1 plant, 2 suitcases, and 1 tourist trying to look organized. Traveler. Hello, I want to
book કરવું.
a room for tonight. Receptionist. Of course. Would you like to
આરક્ષિત કરવું.
breakfast too? Traveler. Yes, please. I will.
check-in કરવું.
Now. Receptionist. Perfect. Are you going to
રાત રોકાવું.
1 night or 2? Traveler. 1 night. Tomorrow I want to
મુલાકાત લેવી.
the old city. Receptionist. Great. Just do not
ચૂકી જવું.
the morning bus. Traveler. Thank you. And if my plans change, can I
રદ કરવું.
the reservation? Receptionist. Yes, but please do it before you
check-out કરવું.
sightseeing with mild chaos. Travel is not only beds and receipts. It is also maps, museums, and walking confidently in the wrong direction. The next day, you are ready to
મુલાકાત લેવી.
a museum, a fort, or maybe a famous market. You tell yourself, I will not
ચૂકી જવું.
the tour. Excellent. Very brave. But then you stop for snacks, stare at a pigeon with unusual self-respect, and suddenly time runs away. This is why travelers
book કરવું.
tickets early,
આરક્ષિત કરવું.
seats when possible, and never trust just 5 more minutes. Those 5 minutes are professional thieves. Quick memory drill. Your turn. I say the English word, and you mentally shout the Gujarati like a language champion in flip-flops. Book.
book કરવું.
Reserve.
આરક્ષિત કરવું.
Cancel.
રદ કરવું.
Check in.
check-in કરવું.
Check out.
check-out કરવું.
Stay overnight.
રાત રોકાવું.
To visit.
મુલાકાત લેવી.
To miss.
ચૂકી જવું.
Nice. If you got some of them right, that is progress. If you got all of them right, please do not become smug at the hotel desk. Comedy challenge. Let's make it stick with a ridiculous story, because your brain loves nonsense almost as much as it loves snacks. A penguin in sunglasses wants to travel. First, it
book કરવું.
a luxury ice hotel. Then it politely
આરક્ષિત કરવું.
A window seat because penguins enjoy drama. At the airport, it almost.
ચૂકી જવું.
The flight because it was adjusting its tiny scarf. It finally arrives in.
ચેક ઇન કરવું.
Like a professional. Because the weather is wild, it decides to.
રાત રોકાવું.
An extra night. The next day it plans to.
મુલાકાત લેવી.
A palace, but instead finds a fish market and calls it culture. After that, it must.
ચેક આઉટ કરવું.
Then, in a shocking plot twist, it remembers it left its passport in the room, so it tries to.
રદ કરવું.
Reality itself. Sadly, that last verb does not work on reality. Only on bookings. Friendly wrap up. You made it through the trip without losing your suitcase, your sense of humor, or your new Gujarati travel verbs. Today you practiced how to.
બુક કરવું. આરક્ષિત કરવું. રદ કરવું. ચેક ઇન કરવું. ચેક આઉટ કરવું. રાત રોકાવું. મુલાકાત લેવી.
And not.
ચૂકી જવું.
Your chance to learn. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and next time you travel, may you check in smoothly, check out on time, and never miss the bus.